In this video, you are going to see how to make carved text in Google Sheets. Let's get started. There is no direct way to make carved text in Google Sheet. We can apply our trick. Let us go any browser and write here carved text. Then you will find various websites. We are going to use this one. I will give the link in the video description. Let me click on over here. Then you will find various text effect. Let us choose this one. And here you will see the text. Let me remove this and write your desired text over here. You can change the font from here. Let us choose this one. You can increase or decrease the size from here very easily. Even you can change the color from here. If you want to uncheck the shadow effect, you can uncheck it from here. Now let us go down and click on download. And click on download, then it will be downloaded. Now go to Google Sheet, go to insert, go to image, click on insert image over cells, click on browse and select this image and click on open. Then the image will be uploaded and you can put it anywhere. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.